Hey everybody, Ruth Alsabrick here, your facilitator for the course. Wah! Just sitting here in my PJs, checking out everything here, and I wanted to welcome you to the class. And one thing about this class is you will find that it is online. Everything is online. You can work on it at any time. So what I'd like to do is show you some of the navigation and things that are available to you in the Canvas application. So one thing is you probably logged in here to this wonderful page and then clicked on the start here, I hope. And under the start here you have all kinds of information, and if you are watching this video then you made it this far. So things that are here are links. You can select the link, the name, or the little arrow and it downloads, or you select the little preview a document and that opens a document right inside of the class. You really need to pay attention to a lot of this information, and there'll be some questions. There may even be a quiz. So you select your next option and go through these, and please, absorb the information that you're reading. Over here on the link is an announcement link, and every week I add an announcement. Sometimes I add multiple announcements. And underneath that is grades. So if you submit an assignment or have a score, it's going to show something here. So I'm going to select the grades as a student, and it shows that Read and Respond has been graded. And guess what? This little thing says there's a comment to this read. There are 4 comments to this thing. So what I've done here is the student added their work, right? So then I said, hey, here's a comment. This is a text comment. This is attachment comment that you can view the attachment, and this is a video comment where you would select play and the video would play and I would chit chat with you. So you can see when you submit, you will find your scores. Let me just close this. You will find that you submitted, and it'll have a check mark or some kind of a mark. And once I grade, a score will be there. You can click on the score, or you can select the comment. And I always leave a comment. Please review your comments. This is a great thing to look at. It tells you your points, where you're at in the class. Also, I'm just going to head to the front page of this template once more, and you see that over here on the right hand side, those are things that are coming up that you need to take care of. You need to take care of those assignments right there, or you can view the calendar here, or select your calendar option here, and your assignments and quizzes and due dates are in there. And if you have multiple classes, it'll show via color. It's pretty cool, really. Next one, people. People supplies you who's in the class. These are the people in the class. These are the people that are all there, and you can read about those people. You can actually change your profile, and everyone can, read about you, which is kind of cool. It's kind of a social kind of a thing going on. So underneath here is conferences. Conferences, unfortunately, isn't going to let us in this particular viewpoint, but conferences are where we can collaborate at a synchronous time. I use other types of things to collaborate as well, or have conferences, synchronous chats and things. Collaboration is where you can click on that and you can create Google documents and work with classmates. Chat is just that. It's a chat type of a feature, and you can come in and down at the very bottom, which is off of the record screen. Let's see if I can move this up just a little bit. Let's see here. Do, 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 do. So the chat screen, you can say hello. You can actually, go into the people, send somebody an inbox message and say, hey, can we chat at blah, blah, blah time in the chat feature? And it records. So, be nice. So once again, let's head over back to the main navigation. And I just want to head over to one of the modules here. So module 1, there'll be a video here. And module 1 tells you, hey, guess what? To simplify it here, everything's the same right here. It's always the same. But if you have a question answer, you can head there. And I gotta tell you, sometimes I forget to go there, so hopefully your fellow classmate goes there and they can answer the questions. And then always read the announcements, because I put announcements in every week. Like I said, sometimes twice, 3 times. You never know what's in the announcements. And then you can see what's going on in that particular module, and you can select let's say you logged out and you come back in and you've done your game object, so you want to head over to models, materials, and textures. You can just select that and go to that page. So then on that page, once again, there it is, that same information. You will see another video here, and then it'll tell you to read the PDF document. You can download the document, or you can select the little icon for it to open, which it's not hooked up right now, but it will open, and then you can go to that particular page, or you can read this same exact thing in the document. Even the video, even these videos, those are in the document as well. They're links and you can go to them. So everything has written text, images, and a video. Sometimes something is added in the video. Sometimes I forget. I don't know. You might want to check it out. So then when you have completed your reading and doing your work, you would just come in and select your assignment and then submit your assignment and provide anything that's asked within that assignment. Please, please, please be sure to read what is being asked in the assignment. Please take care of that. That's very important. That's about it. I want to welcome you to the class. If you have any issues within the LMS course, please contact me first, and if it's something that I believe someone else can help you with, then I will provide that information for you. There is particular information within here. Under your start here, there is some information under student services. There's a lot of information here that maybe you could utilize and get someone to help you. Moving on, policies and procedures, very important. And little basic technical skills. Hey, check out some of these things. They're pretty funny. You might even get a laugh. And then there's some house cleaning items where I tell you, let's be kind to each other and do your work on time as well. So welcome to the class.